Welcome to my channel and to my home for another decorating video. I'm in my bathroom today adding a few small updates. So I thought this would be the perfect time to share with you how I bring a little bit of luxury into my bathroom and make it feel more like a spa experience without any big renovations or changes. Just a few simple and easy additions that really elevate the space. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get to decorating. I'm starting today by clearing off my countertops. I've used this tall 3-tier crystal tray here for a while now, and while I do think it is beautiful, I found myself overfilling it with things I didn't actually reach for daily. It started to just feel more cluttered than curated. I bought a set of 2 cut glass containers to house my cotton rounds and my Q-tips so they will look lovely on the counter while also being really convenient and functional. Since I removed the 3-tiered tray, I decided to replace it with this round marble Lazy Susan. It's embellished, elegant, and because it spins, it's perfect for easily grabbing skincare every day. To soften the space even more, I added this small rechargeable lamp right to the tray. I think this is going to be so perfect for the early morning hours or in the evenings when I'm doing my skincare. I found these as a set of 2 on Amazon. I will link them below. Lights like this really help set a calm, peaceful tone in your space. I think putting everyday items on a beautiful tray or in pretty containers can really bring a luxury feel into a space just by elevating those things that we use and see every single day. I also decided to upgrade to matching glass soap dispensers for the countertops in here. I love these because they come in 2 different styles, one for regular liquid soap, or you can get them for foaming soap, so you can choose whatever suits your preferences without compromising on style. These were such a great find. I also found this hand towel holder that I think looks a lot like some of the pieces that I have from Frontgate, but was a fraction of the price on Amazon as well. Speaking of Frontgate, one of the things that I truly think brings a spa-like, hotel-inspired feel to a bathroom is an open towel rack. Not only does it give you a place to layer in texture, but it also feels incredibly intentional. And when paired with plush, high-quality towels, especially monogrammed ones like these, it really brings that elegant boutique hotel touch to your home. I decided to use one of the open shelves here to display my current body lotions so that I could easily grab them right when I get out of the shower. Sometimes it is the smallest conveniences like this that feel the most luxurious, I think. Last time we were decorating my bathroom, it was over the holiday season. We were decorating for Christmas, and I mentioned the new shampoo bars that I was using, and it is the Kitsch Rice Water Shampoo and Conditioner Bars. And I told you I would give you an update after I'd used them for a while, so I wanted to do that quickly today because I actually just restocked all of my Kitsch products in my shower. They're all fresh, ready to go. I cannot wait to take a shower tonight. I've been using them a little over 6 months now, so I thought this was the perfect time to give an update. I had mentioned in that video that I really wanted to try their purple shampoo and conditioner bars as well, and I went ahead and bought these about a week after I made that video, and I've been using these ever since, and I think both of these products have really contributed to my overall current hair health and growth and all of that good stuff. I do wash my hair about twice a week, so I like to rotate between the rice water shampoo and conditioner and the purple toning. I try to use this at least once a week. I really think that is what has contributed to my blonde staying so bright between hair appointments. I actually had a hair appointment scheduled for last week, but I had to move it until next week, so I'm going 2 weeks longer than I normally do, and I am so impressed with how bright my blonde still is. If you're blonde, then you know toners tend to fade before you go back into the salon before your appointment, usually right around the time you get to it. I go every 6 weeks, and ever since I have been using this purple toning shampoo and conditioner, I feel like my blonde has stayed so bright. The color you're seeing now is very true to the toner that my hairdresser does on my hair, so I don't really notice that brassiness. And not to mention, the hair you're seeing now, I washed with this 4 days ago. So this is 4-day-old hair, and hair that is overdue for the salon, and the blonde is still so bright and vibrant. So I cannot say enough good things about these purple toning bars. I am really, really impressed with these. You get so much more use out of a shampoo bar than I feel like you do a bottled product. It actually says on the top of these that 1 bar equals 100 washes and saves 2 bottles of shampoo or conditioner. And I feel like that's true for me. Again, I wash my hair twice a week, so I can't speak for everyone, but I feel like these bars are a great deal. One of the main reasons I gave this product a try at the end of last year was because they are free of parabens, sulfates, phthalates, things that can really damage our hair. Because I bleach my hair in the salon, I am very, very careful to do what is right for my hair, take care of it when I'm out of the salon. I see way less breakage, and by way less, I mean I was having a lot of issues with breakage, and ever since I've used this product, you can literally see my new growth. These shorter pieces, this is all from new growth after I started using Kitsch products. I am so happy that I found these products, and I'm so glad they have a purple toning shampoo because I would be lost without this. But I also feel like the rice water has really benefited my hair as well. So if you want to give these bars a try, I will be sure to have a link in the description box below and a QR code here on the screen. You can use my code Brittney Blane, and that will give you 25% off your order. It is site-wide, so it doesn't just count for the shampoos and conditioner bars. It's anything on the Kitsch site. I also highly recommend their pillowcases. They are my absolute favorite pillowcases ever. Each bar is under $11 with my discount, or under $21 for the set, so you can't go wrong. Be sure to use that code Brittney Blane. But I really appreciate Kitsch for partnering with me on this video and helping me along my hair care journey. Don't you just love when you have a shower full of fresh products? I am going to have the best shower tonight. I also have a couple of small bins tucked away in here that I think are some of the best necessities. One is a lidded trash can, definitely a bathroom essential, and the other is an open bin I use as a laundry keeper for all of my face towels. If you have the space, swapping your bath mat for an area rug or runner is such a simple way to elevate the entire room. I found this one on Amazon. It is soft and, best of all, machine washable, so perfect for the bathroom. I also had room in here to add a small bench, which I think gives the space a more styled and finished feel, but it's also really functional when I need to sit down while I'm getting ready. I went with a cushioned one for a more feminine and elegant touch. Another thing that I'm doing to add both function and a spa-like feel to this space is adding this slim rolling cart in here. It is really great, lightweight, and so versatile. I'm currently just adding some of my favorite skincare products as well as bath necessities necessities so that I have everything I need right at my fingertips when I decide to have a spa night, which will probably be tonight after this video because I'm not going to be able to resist this bathroom. But this would also be a great place to store extra towels, makeup, or toiletries, you name it. This is a great thing to have in a bathroom. Using beautiful canisters like these from Mackenzie Childs, or even a simple cut glass container to store your everyday bathroom essentials, not only keeps them within reach, but also instantly elevates the look and feel of your space. One of my favorite recent bathroom updates is this large vanity mirror. I have been looking for one of these for a while and I finally landed on this one from Amazon. It was a great price point. It's not the absolute brightest makeup mirror I've owned, but it does have 3 different light settings and I have it in front of a window. So coupled with the natural light in here, it is great. My makeup vanity is a space that gets so easily cluttered. So to keep it in order and keep that clutter at bay, I've decided that I only want to have the makeup that I use every single day on the countertops here. So I'm organizing these glass containers with only the things that I use on a daily basis. I think this is going to make a big difference in keeping things clean and clutter-free. One of my favorite ways to bring design into a bathroom is with artwork or personal touches. A painting like this instantly adds softness and elegance to your space. I also think beautiful framed family photos on the countertop can make your bathroom feel even more thoughtful and styled. I still need to add a photo to my newest frame here, as you can see. For a simple yet beautiful finishing touch, I always think adding fresh flowers to a space where we spend time each day, like our bathrooms, instantly brings life and loveliness to that room. Sometimes Sometimes the most impactful transformations don't come from tearing things out or starting over. They come from choosing pieces that are functional, but also beautiful. That's what this little bathroom refresh today was all about. So I hope that you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to get any of these pieces to update your bathroom. Thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to hang out with me here on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful and you like these types of videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you haven't already, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. We have a really good time around here, and that way you won't miss any future videos. I have lots more to share this season and seasons to come this year. Fall and holiday are right around the corner, and I have a lot of fun surprises in store for 2025, so I'd love for you to join me. Anyway, I will see you again very soon in the next video. Until I do, take care and happy decorating!